Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio, water sign. What are the messages for you? And what's going on? Eight of Wands under the deck and Eight of Pentacles. Maybe right now you are very busy with your work. Maybe you have so much work to do. Maybe so many family responsibilities. You focused on your career. Yeah, you're so busy right now, Scorpio. Yeah. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Hierophant, Nine of Pentacles and Ten of Cups. I think recent past was pretty good because you are financially stable. Maybe for some you are working towards your financial stability. And Ten of Cups, happy family. There is love and there is stability in love. And Hierophant, definitely there was commitment between you and your person. Everything was fine in past. Then present, Five of Swords, Wheel of Fortune and the Strength. Yeah, there are some, in present situation, there are some arguments or disturbances between both of you. But those are very small, not a big issue. Because Five of Swords, maybe some type of fighting or arguments type, not a big deal. And Wheel of Fortune and the Strength card, maybe in these recent times you focused on yourself, you focused on your inner self, and you're becoming more powerful, you're taking your control back, you want to stand by yourself, you're focusing on yourself in these recent times. And these the present things are turning out into your favor, Scorpio. The Wheel of Fortune is here. There is a lot of abundance is coming towards you. Future, Three of Pentacles, Judgment and Four of Wands. And you are going to make some major decision in the month of March. And Three of Pentacles, yeah, there is some partnership is coming in your relationship. Definitely your person want to work on this relationship. Those differences will go away between both of you. And Three of Pentacles, taking this relationship to next level. Yeah, I think you both were in relationship in past, but this time they want to take this relationship to next level, and you also want this relationship, and you also want to take this relationship to next level, and you are going to be make some major decision. Three of Pentacles with Four of Wands. In near future there will be marriage and commitment is coming towards you. Your person want to marry you, marriage proposals and commitment proposals, some major decision regarding love life, and financially also there are some major decisions in your life. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person feelings and actions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Ace of Swords, communication. So let's see first your person feelings towards you, Scorpio. Yeah, there is clarity and communication is coming. Your person, maybe you are in relationship right now, they want to take this relationship to next level. That's why King of Swords, honest, clarity is coming, clarity, communication is coming. And Knight of Cups, they have so much love for you to offer. But Seven of Pentacles, maybe they're waiting for the right time to take this relationship to next level. Seven of Pentacles, they also invested in this connection. And Knight of Pentacles, yeah, they're very serious about you. Let's see their actions. Wow. Wow. Maybe right now you both are in some waiting period. Maybe family acceptance, family issues for some. Maybe for some you both are in long distance relationship. Yeah, Page of Swords, communication, clarity is coming. And Two of Cups, you both are soulmates and this is mutual love between both of you. And Three of Cups, they want this celebration with you and they want this happiness with you, Scorpio. They want to take this relationship to next level. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But what I'm seeing here, they're taking it very slowly because they're planning. Everything is planned. Maybe they want to take this relationship to next level. That's why they're planning. They don't want to rush and want to lose you. That's why they're taking it very slow, but they're planning everything. What I'm getting here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Very positive reading, Scorpio. I'm not seeing any negative vibes. I'm not getting any negative vibes. See, 10 of Cups and 9 of Wands. They're thinking about you a lot. And 10 of Cups. They want this happiness with you. And under the deck, 8 of Swords. Maybe right now your person feeling stuck. But that is very temporary energy. They're taking this relationship to next level. Maybe they're stuck because they're guarded up right now. That's why. Maybe you're not seeing this relationship is going to be next level. But it is. And you are feeling sad for something, Scorpio, not about this relationship, because in relationship and financial wise it is okay, maybe family issues. And the Empress, you stand by your power. I think you both are very passionate about each other and there is a lot of attraction between both of you because Queen of Wands is here and King of Cups. Yeah, there is love between both of you and you both are very powerful couple and this relationship is going to be next level. Yeah, they want this happiness with you. Right now, maybe they're taking it very slow, but this relationship is going to be next level. So, let's see your overall energy for the week, Scorpio. 4 of Pentacles, the Lovers, 9 of Wands and 8 of Swords. You are also feeling stuck. Maybe you are thinking about something a lot. You are guarded up right now. And the Lovers, there is love between both of you. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. And 4 of Pentacles. Maybe you are not expressing your feelings. Maybe in career wise, in financial wise, you are holding your investments. I think you have some trust issues maybe for some. That's why you are holding back. Maybe you are thinking that your person is marrying you or not. Maybe you have some doubt regarding that also. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Ace of Cups, the Hangman, Page of Cups and 10 of Swords. They want rebirth in this connection if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, if you are in separation, very few. I am seeing in separation very few. They're coming back with an apology and the Hangman, they're thinking about you. They're spiritually awakening regarding this connection and their love towards you is overflowing. Yeah, they really love you. They really want to take this relationship to next level. No matter what. So let's see messages from your person and these are channel messages. I am not feel good enough for you. Will you forgive me? Soulmates, 2 of Cups. This person is sneaky. And I can't give you what you need. I want one more card. They're always thinking about you. So yeah, they're always thinking about you. Maybe in past this person is sneaky, but now they want to take this relationship to next level. There are trust issues. That's why for some you are holding back. But soulmates, and I'm not feeling they are feeling that they are not good enough for you. And will you forgive me? Yeah, they're coming back with an apology. That's why they will ask forgiveness. So they are always thinking about you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. You are very close to achieving your goal. So if you are doing any hard work for your dream or goal, be consistent, do hard work. Definitely you are very close to achieving your goal, and this is the message for you. This is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.